Welcome to the Turtle Academy training that also converts to what we're doing in FMS Logo. If you're in modular technology and you're missing some time, this is a good way to keep track of what you're supposed to be doing. So type Turtle Academy, T-U-R-T-L-E, Academy, and visit that website. And when you get there, sign in with your Gmail account. Simply hit login, click the Google, tell it okie dokie, and you'll see your 22 or whatever number. I get my Kid Harmon stuff. Turtle Academy is a ton of fun, and it has a lot of lessons that you can simply read and complete and get the little check marks as you do them. You can see that I've got check marks for all of these. But instead of doing that, I have a special way to teach you, and I need you to go to the playground, scroll to the bottom, and find where the registered users can create their own programs down at the bottom. Once you're in this screen, click up at the top, and instead of program 1, call it logo with your initials. My initials are MDH, so I'm doing that. And then on the first line, I'd like you to put the word to. So we're teaching logo something, and we're going to teach him to go. And then in the next line, we're going to press enter. So notice how it says line 2. I simply want you to type forward, and I want you to type 50, and then I want you to press enter, and I want you to type end. So for every command we build, we've got to put a 2 in front of it, and we've got to put an end after it with the commands in the middle. I talk about this being a sandwich. Then after we build it, we need to tell it to work. So right now I'm going to call go. When I hit save, it saves the command, and then it automatically ran, so you can see that my turtle went forward 50. Let's go back up to our command, let's press enter, and let's add a new command called set heading. Headings refer to the direction the turtle is aiming. Right now he's at 0, this is 90, here's 180, and this is 270. And these are on the flat area that the computer's working at. So if we type set heading 90, and now we hit update, notice the turtle, when we hit run, turns to aim the other direction. Let's, instead of typing forward, use its awesome shortcut, forward 50. Once again, we will update, click OK, and click run, and you can see that the turtle moves again. There is also a shortcut for set heading. It is Seth. Way much more fun to type. And then I want the turtle to come down this direction, which is 180. Type your 180, update, and hit run to see the turtle move. And then let's finish it so it looks like a square by adding forward 50. And then Seth, let's check the number, 270. Now this won't be on your screen, but all I did was search for headings compass and find an image that worked for me. And then we've got to finish with a forward 50, and then let's test it by hitting update and telling it OK and telling it run. You have just created your first cool command called go, and you made go happen. Congratulations on being a logo programmer. Now let's move on to cooler things. Let's start by eliminating go and putting clear screen there. Clear screen. Now when we update and tell it OK and run it, our screen is clear. We could have also, and I'll show you this right now, done CS. That's the shortcut for clear screen. And then I'm going to move above the word end, press a few enters so that my commands that happen are down here, and then I can make a new command. I'm going to make a smarter square where I type 2 and I do SQ, so it's really going to be named square. And then we're going to use a cool trick to make this faster. Type forward 50, right 90. I haven't shown you the right command, but I am now. And then select it, right click, copy it, click the next line and paste it. I'm using Control V. You could do right click paste. Just because it looks better, I'm going to press tab and backspace to line that up. And then just remember, every word we make, we need to have end. I'm going to skip a line and I'm going to call SQ So I created SQ and now I called SQ. I'm going to do update and tell it OK. And when I hit run, my square drew, but then I cleared the screen. That was silly of me. I'm going to backspace on my CS now, and I'm going to put in front of SQ. And now when I hit run, the screen clears and a square draws. I'm going to click after end and press enter a couple times. And let's make a new word called to, and let's call it cool. After we press cool, I want you to type repeat. It does help if you spell it right. I want you to put the number 200, and then I want you to put a square brackets. This is above the enter key. In that repeat command, we want our square to draw, and then we simply want to do a right, and let's start by putting a 20 in here, and then closing the brackets, pressing enter, and doing end. Now we do want to clear the screen, but instead of doing square, we want to call our new command cool. I'm going to tell you to update, tell it OK, and click run so that you can see your cool design appear on the screen. The neat thing about this program is you can quickly change the numbers. So I'm going to put in a 40. And then you can change your design by updating, telling it OK, and letting it run again. Explore the cool shapes you can make, and then pat yourself on the back for having created your Lesson 1. I shut off public because I don't want to share this project with the world. I want it to simply be what we create for class, and I hope you had fun making this, and look forward to seeing what I post for you for the Lesson 2.